Hey guys, this is a 2008 Toyota Sequoia SR5, and look at this. Got a brand new radiator. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so here's the deal. That blew off the other day when it almost overheated with the old radiator. So I changed it out. Now, here's the main thing I want to talk about. Most people remove the fan. I didn't have the tools to do that, so I didn't remove it. I also didn't remove the shroud, the cover. All I did was remove these two bolts right here. This one and this one. That's all I did. Back this out, back the shroud out, disconnected the hose, and disconnected the hose at the bottom. Right there. Where's it at? Right there. So this clamp right here, disconnected that and drained the coolant over there in the little valve over there. Okay. Also, I took off the plastic clamps that go here like that. They broke. See, I didn't put them back. And then in here you have some 12 millimeters bolts here. You got four. One here, one through here, that hole in there. Right? And there's another one over here behind this plastic. This plastic has to do with the transmission oil cooler, which is here. I removed this bolt just to get this a little bit out of the way. And the other bolt is in there. So there's four that hold the radiator. And that's it, guys. I was able to pull this radiator out, put the new one in, put all my clamps back, and the four bolts there, here, one down here, one down here. Put my transmission cooler back in place. The hose at the bottom, make sure you connect it. It comes out of the thermostat, which is right here. This is a thermostat. And I put some fresh coolant in, and I was done. Mainly, I didn't have to remove this shroud like many people show, and I didn't have to remove the fan. And here's to prove that I did it without doing that. Now you gotta be careful when you're pulling it out and in. I needed the help of one extra person, but that's it. I'm not lying. Here it is. All by myself. It took about 3 hours to do it, and that's at night. It wasn't even during the day. I was working with a flashlight out here in the street. So yes, you can do it. And the reason why I did it is because the radiator was $175 brand new at O'Reilly's Auto Parts, and the shop wanted $700. So if I pay myself $50 an hour, I did it for $150 plus $175, so about $300, about half the price. I did it myself. Even if I was paying myself or someone $50 an hour, it is not $700 job. Thank you.